Welcome back to the local radio station. I'm your host Jerome, and for today's news we got a report of weird noises coming from the forest. The people who report these say they were at the park near the forest when they heard weird noises. The noises in question were growling and a noise that sounded like a broken harmonica. Whatever these noises are, they sure do sound freaky. But here's hoping they're just random noises and not anything dangerous. Next is the recent speed record for the NWR's number 4 Gordon the Big Engine.
This is an emergency alert message from the emergency alert system. Local authorities have issued a shelter-in-place warning to the area of Lightvale. Citizens of Lightvale, get to your homes immediately. An unknown wild animal has been spotted attacking anyone outside. The animal is described to be half the size of a moose, sharing a similar shape to one. Only the eyes glow. Sometimes the creature has been seen walking on its two back legs, but most of the time it walks on all fours. It is unknown where this animal came from, but it is confirmed to be hostile to anyone it comes across. To keep safe from this animal, get into your homes or a nearby building and lock all doors and windows. If you are outside, get into any nearby shelter and remain low and quiet. More updates will be broadcast if the situation continues.
Chugga, woohoo! This is gonna be a good day.
This is an emergency alert message from the emergency alert system. Local authorities have issued a shelter-in-place warning to the area of Lightvale. Citizens of Lightvale, get to your homes and lock all doors and windows immediately. The unknown animal that was attacking people outside has been confirmed to not be an animal, but a creature in the shape of an animal. This creature has become more dangerous as it lurks around homes and breaks into them. Most of these break-ins happen due to the creature lurking near homes with uncovered windows. To prevent this creature from breaking into your home or shelter, lock all doors and windows and close all curtains. If you do not have curtains, move to an area without any windows and turn off lights in any rooms with windows to disguise the house as being empty. This same advice goes for any other shelters. If you are outside or driving, find a nearby shelter to hide in and stay as quiet as possible. More updates will be broadcast if the situation worsens.
Percy promised! Percy, wait! I should have known better than to give Percy a bell.
This is an emergency alert message from the emergency alert system. Local authorities have issued a shelter-in-place warning to the area of Lightvale. An accident has occurred on a railway line. The accident involved the creature, but it is unknown if it was killed or if it was only injured. Whatever the case may be, all citizens are still advised to stay inside and shelter in place until an all clear has been given. More updates will be broadcast as the situation continues. This is an emergency alert message from the emergency alert system. Local authorities have issued an all clear to the area of Lightvale. All clear, I repeat, all clear. The creature has been confirmed to be killed on impact from the crash with the train, and so the situation is finally over. But if you decide to exit your shelters, then do so with caution. I repeat, if you decide to exit your shelters, then do so with caution. This concludes the emergency alert system's current broadcast. Thank you for your cooperation.
Welcome back to the local radio station. I'm your host Jerome, and for today's news we got something interesting to talk about. So recently we had a shelter-in-place lockdown of some kind because of some creature roaming around. People began to nickname it the night lurker, for how it lurked around homes and places at night. It was described as being half the size of a moose, but sometimes stood on its two back legs. Now we don't know much about this creature, but we got some interesting details from a survivor who took a picture of the creature during an attack. Apparently, this survivor who got attacked and ran away took a photo of the animal and uploaded it online. The photo showed the creature's face and it was, creepy to say the least. It had human-like eyes and teeth and had a deformed face, as if the face was stretched out. Whatever that thing was, it was killed by Murdoch, an orange 9F steam train that crashed into it the other night. Murdoch was pulling a late-night train when the creature got onto the tracks, and Murdoch ran right into it, sending him off the tracks but killing the creature in the process. Murdoch has sent to the works for repairs, and will return to service in a few weeks.